Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing courtesy of Huanuo. This is a TV tray stand. Really cool, easy to put together. Comes with a cup holder. Here we go. That's what it looks like. And there's a cup holder. You can pull that out. Boom, boom, boom. Here's the bottom. This is what it looks like. And it's like detachable. You could just move it up, adjust to your height. Right down here. You just gotta squeeze it together. Shows in instructions. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.